Dad, 1, 2, 3. Wait,
1, 2, 3.
Wait, all 3 of us. 3, 1, 2, 3.
I was a little bit out of time, but it's alright.
Right then.
Right, I'm here to help you on. Just put it down a little bit, leave it a little bit so you've got a little bit of air coming in, because it's a bit warm today. Bit muggy.
Now I've got to get on the back.
Yep, you're alright because I'm right here. Oh, that's it. And you pop your leg over. Lift it as high as you can. There we go. There we go. And you are on. And then if you grab this bit here, and you've got that side. Yeah, no, come on. Oh, there you go. You're holding it like that, yeah? Yeah? You sorted?
Oh, it's a beautiful day for it.
Oh my god, I'm sweating.
Have you got that base layer on, have you?
I don't.
I'm having a conversation with you,
Oh.
but obviously Cameron's talking to me as well.
Oh, okay, sorry. If you talk to me, just say my name.
Kaylee, have you got that base layer on as well?
Yes, I have, yeah.
Okay. So guys, as you've probably just seen, we have little Cameron out on his first ever motorcycle ride. And we came down the road literally 2 minutes just to get some fuel in the bikes, and he got off the bike and he said, oh my god, I love it.
I love it.
So I don't know if you can see him in the camera there, his head just popping out.
Although you can see from my camera that it's got one leg on the peg and one leg off the peg. Really weird. Because you can actually reach them, but I think he's just sat at an angle.
It's either that or it's the trousers are a little bit
Oh
too
yeah, they
tight.
probably are a little bit restrictive, yeah. But he's... Oh, I'm in neutral. There we go. Oh, I've stalled it.
Oh shit, you okay, yeah?
Yeah.
So we thought for Cameron's first ever ride, we'd just go somewhere local. We don't want to scare him, we don't want to put him off, we don't want to do anything, so we're going to stick to just main roads. Not take it nice and steady, nice and easy. So we're going to, originally we were going to go to Matlock and see all the bikes, have a nice, you know, have some nice food, all that sort of stuff.
But apparently it's snowing. Or
yes, we got
the snow's still quite bad up there, so...
Yeah, we did get told the snow is quite bad up there, and one, I don't really like going out in snow myself, and two, I wouldn't even
dream of it.
I wouldn't even dream, yeah. There is no way I would even think of going anywhere with snow with my son on the back for his first ever ride. So we decided to just stay local. We're heading to the Touchdown Calf.
We actually thought he would actually enjoy that as well because of all the planes there.
Yeah. I think we've got Dave coming to meet us as well. Okay. Yeah. As I thought I'd got rid of one pillion, I have accumulated another.
You have. At least it's a miniature version.
Very true. And at the minute he doesn't dance on the back of the bike.
That's only because he ain't got no music.
Oh yeah, well done mate, get off your fucking phones. That's another person on their phone.
Standard.
Shit herself.
What? Oh.
She shit herself.
Yeah, so did I then, you dickhead, because I thought doing something wrong. Don't do shit like that.
Lift that up.
He's not letting go, just tell him he can let go for a minute.
You can let go of me a second. Is that better?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. that foot's on. You got it, yeah? Yeah. Okay.
Is he on
Are you
now?
okay? You got an itchy nose.
It's me. I always get an itchy nose.
Sorted?
Tell him if he has an itch or anything like that, he can take his
Up the
hand
top.
off to scratch it.
You know, if you do have an itchy nose, you can lift your visor up. Yeah.
Lift it up, scratch, put it back down.
No. This bit, you can, whilst we're going, you can take your hands off me. Oh. You okay though, yeah? Alright, let's go. There, he took his hand off.
You what?
I put my thumb up to see if he was okay,
Yeah.
and I kept my thumb up, and until he put his he took his hand off to put his thumb up.
Yay! That's a little bit of confidence building. Literally, that one small thing is just a confidence thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's amazing. And I can see both of his feet are on the pegs, are they? Oh no, that one, no, that one's not still. I think he's just sat lopsided.
I think he is.
Yeah.
When we just pulled over to sort his buff
I
out.
think it's because he wants to see over your shoulder.
Maybe.
You're close to that line, darling.
He's gonna sleep well tonight.
Oh yeah, he will. I said that to him last night. I said, I tell you what, I said, you'll sleep well tomorrow. And he was like, yeah. And I said, yeah. I said, because I'm telling you now, it tires you out. And here we are at the Touchdown Cafeteria.
Now we have to wait for Dave.
Yeah, Dave will be here soon.
That's it. Swing that leg over this way. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And then step down. Gently. Look at that. He's becoming a pro.
Right, Cameron, how was that?
That was amazing.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you enjoy that?
Yeah.
That's great. So, Cameron, you just had a chocolate bar and an ice cream when the weather is like this.
Yeah.
Right? How have you found today?
It was very good.
It was very good.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And now we're ready to go back home.
Great. And you've met a new friend?
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
Yeah?
Oh, I'm going to do that, have I?
It's like you blow it up.
There you go, that's fine. Just so I've got the thumbnail.
I don't think I have to like put it on my nose, do I?
No, I can go under your chin.
Okay, if you want it under your chin like that.
Yeah, because it annoys me because it makes my nose itchy.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. That's why I asked you to stop.
Yeah, I know, that's why you asked me to stop. Come here then.
Time for math.
Look up. That okay?
Yep.
Right. Yes, mate.
Yeah, ride safe. Let us know when you get back. 3 rings. 3 rings.
Dave, bye-bye.
I don't know why I shouted then, because I forgot you had your comms.
Oh, well guys, we're back on the road again. We have a couple of errands to run now.
On the road again.
On the road again.
I can't wait to get out on the road again.
Although my little nipples are not cold today.
Your little what?
My little nipples.
Your little Malteser nips.
So, this has been Cameron's first ever time out on a motorcycle. From what he said to us, he said he's absolutely loved it. And
he has, yeah. I think he's still quite excited about the whole thing.
yeah, and it's been a great little day.
Yeah, it will literally be a case of when we get home, if we ask him if he enjoyed it and if he wants to do it again, and he says yes, then we know we've done alright.
Yeah, and buying the kit hasn't been a waste of money.
Exactly, yeah.
But we've had a great day out. We've met up with Dave from Motovlog UK, and we've sat there for about an hour of the pair of them telling each other dad jokes. It has been torture. I
love a good dad joke there.
I don't know who's worse, Cameron or Dave.
Oh, I do. Dave. 100% Dave.
But hopefully you'll get away from Cameron now. Give a wave. He says bye. But right guys, thank you for watching this episode and coming on Cameron's first ever motorcycle ride.
And you'll probably see a little bit more of him.
You probably will see a little bit more of him now.
Yeah.
But we've only stayed local. We will start pushing the boat further afield, knowing that he's going to be getting a little bit more confidence on the bike. So on that note, I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you stayed safe, and we hope to see you out there. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. That's it, and then pull this bit. There you go. Ready? Pull it apart like this. Ready? There we go. Oh, that was a lot easier, wasn't it? Huh? Did you have a little sleep?
Yeah, I fell asleep on you. I was tired.